Hello, good evening, viewer. Welcome back. This is EasyB with EasyB Tactical. Quick video today. I like German stuff, right? We're going to talk about a PPQ Walther. However, this one is a typical PPQ. I think I'm 4 or 5 inch full frame, but this one is outfitted with steel Q5 Match frame. Slide. So let's do a quick overview of the Q5 Match, which makes your Walther PPQ into a better shooter. If you like today's video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, check out the Facebook page and Instagram account for EasyB Tactical, and hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. The firearm is unloaded. There are no ammunition around me, no 9mm, and the magazine is empty. So back in 2019, Walther released the PPQ, and shortly after that they released the Q5 steel frame pistol, and everybody wanted the Q5 steel frame because they were much better shooters and people loved them. The PPQ was a good pistol as well, so Walther provided a Q5 match conversion kit, which is what this video is about. So this is not a full Q5 steel frame pistol. This is a regular Walther PPQ that has been outfitted with the Q5 match conversion kit. So the conversion kit gives you this, which is a 5-inch polygonal barrel rifled, a longer, better slide which is ported, which has a fiber optic front side, adjustable rear side, and a cutout plates where you can mount a red dot. Of course, it's got serrations on the front and rear. It also has some it's a mill slide, so less weight, cut out, less weight, more balance. The recoil spring is different, which makes it a much smoother shooter. So you get a 5-inch barrel, a longer slide, and it turns your PPQ into a kind of a different gun because it's all steel on top and a polymer frame. So if you didn't want to spend the money to get a Q5 steel frame and you already had a PPQ, the Q5 match conversion kit was your way to upgrade your pistol without spending too much money. I believe this was a $600 kit MSRP, but of course prices went a little bit up as the demand grew for this conversion kit. I don't see them for sale online so much anymore, but I had the pleasure to shoot this pistol. Just went about 50 rounds through it. It shoots very well, makes it very smooth. It's not a full steel frame, so I feel like the recoil management was very good. However, for me, maybe it's because I was transitioning from other pistol to this one, I found it a little bit snappy. So you have to it's not hard to control, but I found that the pistol was a bit snappier in terms of the muzzle rise for the way I was holding it. But I think it's the way I was holding it. I don't know why. This felt like, because of the grip and all, I felt like it was always ready to leave my hand. However, it was very accurate. Despite that motion, I was able to double tap easily with this one. It was very accurate, very precise. The fiber optics helped. Of course, the 5-inch barrel, the longer the barrel, the better it is. It reminded me of shooting, it felt like I was shooting with a 1911, not the way the pistol shot, but the accuracy kind of remind me of my 1911 in 9mm. Yes, Q5 match conversion kit. This is a great upgrade, I think, for the pistol, because Walther makes very good pistol, but this long slide, this Q5 match, makes this such a precise gun. If you shoot competition and if you just want to shoot accurately and faster, this is a good addition for the gun. So yeah, that's pretty much it, right? I don't know if you can still find it on retail online new. I looked around a little bit, but I haven't found any listing with currently available. I think it's discontinued, but I'm not sure. However, I'm sure you can find it on Gun Broker and places like that. So if you have a Walther PPQ and you wanted to upgrade it, the Q5 Match conversion kit was a good way to do so. I know it's not a brand new gun now with the Walther PDP out there. People are kind of forgetting about this platform and jumping on the PDP because, of course, you want to go towards enhancement. But I think this is still a very great shooter. And PPQ plus Q5 Match, it's a good combination. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. Check out the Facebook page, Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Stay cool, stay safe, and talk to you soon.